So what is a membership operator, guys? Here in this particular lecture, we are going to learn. So membership operator is also basically there are two types of membership operator, in and not in. This is the two types of membership operator. Okay, and we will check here the code. Okay, name equal to I have taken suppose help for code. I have taken the string help for code. Fine. So helpful code, whether you provide in single quote, double quote, because ultimately it is going to belong to the string class. So that is very important. Name equal to helpful code, and in the print function, I'm going to check first of all the in operator. I'm going to check like P. I'm just going to check here in the single quote, means in double quote also you can provide P in name. So basically, we use the membership operator in or not uh, in case of string, when we have a string type of data, when we have a collection data type of data like list, tuple, set, dictionary, or the string type of data. So we use this membership operator to check the value is present or not. If the value is present, condition is true. If value is not present, condition is false. Okay. So P in name, we are checking this P character is present in the name variable. Okay, in the name variable, it means name variable means we are talking about this string, because this string is stored in the name, so we are checking P in name. So P is present, yes, P is present, so definitely it will return the true. With the help of this membership operator in operator, we are checking that value is present or not. Okay, so let me check, run the code. Condition is true, we are getting a true. Okay, and suppose instead of that, if I'm using a something like a, and we are checking that a in name, so you know that in the name variable you have this helper code, this particular string value, but in this particular string, this string doesn't contain the a, okay, as alphabet, as a character. So that's why a is not present in the name, but we are checking that a in name. So if it is not present, definitely we'll get the false. Okay. Okay, what is the issue? I'm getting this output. Just a minute. I think it was not saved. Yes, now it is working. So false we are getting. This is all about the in operator. Now let's check the not in operator. Okay, if I'm going to use the not in. So not in operator we are using when we are checking a something which is not present. Okay, we are checking that it is not present. When it is not present, condition will be true. Okay, right? We are checking right now A is not in the name. Means we are saying that A is not present in the given string, that in the string which is stored in the name variable. So definitely it is not present, and if it is not present, so you will get the output like true. Okay, you're getting output true. Fine. Now if I'm going to use the P, and you know that P is present in the string. Okay, P is present in the given string, you can check here. But if I'm checking that P not in name variable, it is false, because you can say the false also, because P is present in the helper code. Okay. So this time when I'm going to run, I'm getting a false. And this is all about the membership operator, guys. This is a very simple example. I hope you have understood a little bit about this membership operator in and not in. So in the next lecture, we will check identity operator. Okay, we'll check the identity operator. Fine. So we'll see you in the next lecture, guys. Till now, thank you very much.